Did you guys know that the average salary for a McDonald's manager here in Las Vegas is around $42,000? Now you may be wondering why that's relevant at all. Why McDonald's? Well, I did a couple Google searches and I found out that based on 2025 and 2026 data, the median monthly earnings for young full-time workers in the US vary significantly by age bracket. So if you're under the age of 25 years old, you're making $3,500 per month or $41,000 annually. So if you're making $43,000 per year, that means that you have to make $20.67 an hour. And I'm here to tell you that I made $4,300 off 9 uploads in less than 15 days on one YouTube channel. Now, this isn't to brag. This isn't for me to say like, I'm better than you. No, I'm not saying that at all. I'm saying that the internet has opened such a wide variety of different ways to grind, and people aren't taking advantage of that. It's just sitting there. And that's where you differentiate hustlers from people who settle. And you know what's open 24/7, unlike McDonald's?
Welcome to McDonald's. I apologize, we will be closed for the next 30 to 45 minutes. We are changing system.
Thank you.
Thank you, hon.
YouTube. YouTube is open 24/7, 365 days of the year. And these are my YouTube analytics for the month of April on one channel. This channel I only uploaded purposely for only 14 days. I wanted to see how much money I can make in half a month doing the absolute bare minimum. And I got 613,000 views, 42,000 watch time hours, 1.3 thousand subscribers, and $4,385 with 22 cents. The other cool thing about YouTube is that you're not limited to a salary. It's unlimited. As long as you're posting and people like your content and you keep getting better and better and you try to figure things out, you can make unlimited amounts of money. For example, this one video made me the entire yearly salary of a McDonald's manager, or the average yearly salary of somebody under the age of 25. Now, this video right here got 8.9 million views, 410,000 watch time hours, 22,000 subscribers, and it made me $41,849. Now you might be thinking, oh, I'm never gonna make 9 million views. I will never be able to do a video like that. Well, if you just aim for one video to hit 1 million views, you can do something like this. For example, this video got 946,000 views, 56,000 watch time hours, 2,000 subscribers, and it paid me $7,200. That's a ton of money. That's more than I made for half of the month of April. And that's really what you're aiming for here on YouTube. You can post as many times as you want. You can post on as many topics as you want. You can have as many channels as you want. The only limiter in this world is yourself. The only thing stopping you from making money is yourself. And the key is to work both smarter and harder. I did the math, and doing the bare minimum on YouTube with 9 uploads, spending around 4 hours per video, paid me $4,300 in 14 days, or $119 an hour. Now, if I were to continue to post, I could have made, who knows, I could have either made $9,000 or I could have had an absolute banger and made $15,000, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000. I'll never know because I stopped doing it. I'll test it out on another video. Now, you may have heard of YouTube automation. That's something a lot of YouTube gurus try to sell you, which it works to a certain degree. You use AI, you use ChatGPT or Grok or Claude, and you use all these AI tools to create a video. And that's perfectly fine, but it takes a lot of work, a lot of consistent work. You got to hire people. Sometimes you need a little bit of capital. But if you want to do it the absolute freest, simplest way, you use your voice, you use your face, you do the work yourself. And once you get good enough, you can knock it out in 2, 4, 3 hours. But if you're too timid to use your voice or your face, don't worry. You could still use AI. That still works, but you have to follow certain strategies. For example, on this channel, I cover hip hop. And if you're in the United States, a lot of people listen to rappers. So in the month of April, there was a lot of trending news going on. We had Drewski respond to Trump saying Erica Kirk should sue him. That video got 30,000 views. Then I did a video about NBA Ben 10, NBA Youngboy, rappers react, Cardi B, Offset, Pooh Shiesty, rappers react, Gucci Mane. That's what paid me $4,300. These are the videos that paid me $4,000. I was just talking about the stuff that was going on. And the analytics aren't even that crazy. 31,000 views, $173, and people watched the video for an average of 4 minutes long. The video was 12 minutes long though. That's the key on this. I'm not talking about short form content. You want to make long form content. That's what really pays you. That's where the money's at. This video I posted on April 1st. This was the first video of the month. The next video I posted was Gucci Gucci Mane reacts to Pooh Shiesty. That one did a bit less, 18,000 views, $127. Average view duration was 338. The RPM was $6.94, and I didn't cover that on the other video, but RPM makes a huge difference. Whoa, you can't see it. 562 versus 694. Now, those dollar differences are huge because that's what pays you per every 1,000 views, and it adds up every other dollar. So it doesn't sound like a lot, but a $5 RPM and a $10 RPM is literally double the money for the exact same amount of views. The next video was rappers react to Gucci Mane. This was posted on, I believe, April 4th. It got 13,000 views, $114. The average view duration was 5 minutes and 55 seconds, so people were rocking with this video a bit more. And the RPM was $8.33. So this was paying me way more than the previous videos. So I got less views, but I still made $100. Now I'm making $100 per video at this point. The next one wasn't a banger, unfortunately. 8,000 views, $50. RPM was 615. We'll let it slide. The next video, this is where things start to change. I posted this on April 7th, so a week after posting. This is my 6th video. I skipped a day. It got 243,000 views. It got 495 subscribers, and it paid me $1,600. Now, if you're starting a YouTube channel from scratch, you want to reach a couple of metrics. The first metric is 1,000 subscribers, and the second one is 4,000 hours of watch time. Once you reach those two, you're able to get into the partnership program with YouTube, and you're able to start getting monetized. Now, if you pay attention, this video itself got me half of the subscribers that I need and got me all the watch time that I need. So you just need one video to absolutely bang, and you can get yourself monetized. The average view duration for this video was 4 minutes, and the RPM was $6.71. The next video was a Cardi B video, 42,000 views, 94 subscribers, $262. 3 minutes and 50-second average view duration, and $6.21 for the RPM. Next one was Rappers React, 73,000, 686, 4 minutes and 47 average view duration, $9.37 for this one. This paid me a lot more than all the other videos, $600 on a single video. And trust me, I did not work hard on this one. I just combined all the rappers that were reacting to the situation. I covered it. I showed my face. I did my own voiceover similar to how I'm doing right now, and I got paid for it. And this is the thing about YouTube. After I had those bangers, I posted a video and I didn't get the thumbnail right. I didn't get the title right, and it only got 3,000 views, but it still paid me $35. Guess it paid for my lunch for the day. The RPM was again $10.63, so I absolutely fumbled this bag by not doing the things properly. And that's when knowing what to do comes in handy. You know, you got to understand, like, what am I doing wrong? And after many uploads, I know what it is that I did wrong. I know the things that I did right, and I can go back and be like, okay, for the next video, I'm going to do things differently, which is exactly what I did. I posted this video April 10th. 2 days later, I posted this NBA Youngboy video. I got 84,000 views, $643. The RPM was 772, and I got back on the grind. So yeah, don't worry, not every video is going to hit, but if you just keep posting, you keep being consistent, one of them is going to bang eventually. And finally, the last video that I posted was NBA Ben 10 response to All-Star JR. They got 80,000 views, $595, $7.52 RPM. People watched it for 3 minutes and 43 seconds. People don't even have to watch the video for that long. As long as they're watching for over 3 minutes, you want to really hit that 4 or 5 minute spot though, because YouTube promotes those videos more. They're like, okay, people are actually interested in this kind of stuff, so they'll push it out more towards the algorithm. My point being is that that's all you have to do in order for you to become a YouTuber. Now, if you're curious, like, oh, well, what are you doing? I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm not doing anything out of this world. It's really simple. Once you get the hang of it and you understand what it is that you have to do, you do it. Now, me and my brother have been doing YouTube for over 7 years. He's been doing it a bit longer than I, but we started a community together where we basically break down everything that you need to know in order for you to get started on YouTube. It's basically like going to college, going to school, but you can do it at your own pace. And it's a community that breaks down everything you need to know in order for you to start succeeding in this world. It teaches you all the basics from how to edit, how to Photoshop, how to script write, how to structure your videos, how to set up a camera, how to set up a microphone, how to do everything you can possibly think of. It's all set right here. We show results, we show channels emails. We show everything that you want to know will be in this community. There's a lot of people too who actually help each other out, which I feel like is really cool because everyone's trying to grind, everyone's trying to make it, and there's a ton of people from all over the world, which is even cooler because you'll be talking to somebody that's from literally the other side of the world and you guys are working on the same thing, which is trying to make some money, right? So if you guys are interested in joining the community, make sure you guys hit the link in my bio, and I'll see you guys in the next video where I show you what it would look like if I posted multiple times every single time for a month straight.